Indian Supreme Court has dismissed the Central Bureau of Investigation's petition to transfer the cases against Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Muhammad Yasin Malik and other top leaders from Jammu to New Delhi. Hurriyat leaders and human rights organizations paid tributes to the victims of the Gau Kadal massacre on their 35th martyrdom anniversary in occupied Kashmir. Indian troops killed more than 50 innocent people in the Gau Kadal area of Srinagar on this day in 1990 by opening indiscriminate fire on the peaceful protesters protesting the molestation of several women by the troops. Family of Sirajuddin Farooqi, who went missing in custody of the Indian forces in 1992, has appealed to the international human rights organizations for intervention to alleviate the decades-long suffering in occupied Kashmir. Farooqi, a resident of the Nohatta, Srinagar, was arrested by the Indian Border Security Force during a crackdown operation in 1992. Alarming levels of the violence against women and gender discrimination in India, particularly in Rajasthan, have once again spotlighted the systematic failures in protecting women and the girls across the country. India records an average of 40,000 rape cases annually, with Rajasthan leading the tally at 6,337 incidents, followed by Delhi, which averages 4 cases daily. A protest demonstration was held in the Dragmulla Kupwara district against an overnight attempt to relocate the Assistant Regional Transport Office. The locals and the traders participated in the protest, emphasizing the ARTO office's crucial role in supporting their livelihoods. The protesters argued that the office's relocation would severely impact the local economy. Indian forces personnel killed 14 more people of the tribal community in the disturbed Chhattisgarh state. The forces personnel during continued cordon and search operations killed 14 more tribal people in the Garhiyaband district. An Indian official said that the operation was launched on the Monday and the early Tuesday morning in a forest under the Manipur police station area.